Hi all. In this video, we are going to see uh, our Java first program. In previous video, we have seen difference between the JDK and JRE. Where is the JDK available? Where is the JRE available in our local system? And then what are the tools are available as part of JDK? And what are the tools available as part of JRE? Those things we have seen in the previous video. But in this video, we are going to write our first Java program, and we are going to compile it, and we are going to execute it, and we are going to see some basic message on the command prompt, so that we can get to know how we need to write Java class, how we need to compile it, how we need to run it. Those things we will get to know. Yeah, first let me start with our Java first program. Let me go here and then create, click on new here, or else I can use Java here. It is coming like this. I will remove this one. First thing is, we need to start with public. Always the class name in Java, the class that starts with class keyword. Class and name is class name. Whatever the class name, it should be starts with capital letter, and then the next words onwards again it's a capital, and then it is a small. It is first demo program, right? I can say first demo. This is my class one, and then after this one, this ID by default giving curly braces, but I can show you. Wait. So after this one, always go with second line, use curly brace. For every curly brace starts, it should have ending curly braces as well. Use curly ending curly braces here, and inside this one, we need to write. Use one tab space. Click on tab, which is available on your keyboard, and then here write like public static void main, and then here string array. I will tell you what is the array, what is the public, what is static, what is void, what is main. Everything I will try to I will explain in the future tutorials, future videos, but in this video I will try to execute basic program. Use curly, use brackets here, and then args. After this one again, use space and then give one more curly brace here. Every curly brace starts curly brace should have end curly brace as well. And then inside this one, always use, let me go here, write like this: system dot out dot print of, write inside double quotes, write something here like welcome to Java first demo program. Okay, and then this is at line number 6 is the one state, we can call it as one statement. In Java, every statement should ends with semicolon. Okay, use that one, and then just write, go to file and click on save. It will ask you to save here whatever the file name you have given, right? Same file name. It's, I mean, without this file name, same without this file name also we can save it, but it's recommended to use whatever the file name, I mean class name you have used in this class. With the same class name you need to save it, then only, I mean, when any developer see this file name, right, he can understand what is the class name is there as part of this class. Just paste that one, past demo Java, then click on save. It is saved now. So when you save it, let me see, we have saved it. Just go to that location where you have saved it. I have saved inside D drive tech underscore workspace Java programs. Come here, just open CMD here, click on CMD, and then come here. So we just written the Java code here. This is the Java code. So this Java code we need to compile it with help of JavaC compiler. We are having one command called JavaC and file name dot Java. This is for compiling the dot java files. Okay, after this one, after compilation, we will get the file name dot class file. It is having bytecode. What is bytecode and how it is generating the bytecode, everything will cover in next video. And then we need to run this. We're having one more command called java, and then file name dot class. It is for running the java dot class files, and it will print the message on command prompt. I am going to show you these things now. Just already we have written our just first demo program, right? It is already we have saved inside D drive tech underscore workspace Java programs. Here we are having file called first demo.java. Now we need to compile it. For compilation, just go to that location. This is the location D drive tech underscore workspace Java underscore programs. Here come here and use command call like Java C, and then our Java program name first demo.java. So click on enter. See, nothing. It has not shown any errors here. It simply went for the next line. So when we use java c first demo.java, it has generated dot class file. Let's see whether it has generated dot class file or not by going to this directory d drive tech underscore workspace java underscore programs. Go here. See, you can see our file name is first demo.java, but it has, when we after compilation it has generated first demo.class file. So it is saying like first demo.class file. Now we need to use one more command called java. It is for running the dot class file. Use first demo.class. Okay, this is the class name. Here we no need to specify any dot class file. Dot class, when we use java first demo, it will go to this directory d drive tokens workspace and java programs, and this command will search for the first demo dot class file is there or not. If you go here, first demo dot class file is there. This java command will try to run, we will try to run this dot class file, and it will print the information on the command prompt. Let me click on enter. So you can see, welcome to Java first demo program. That's what we have written here, right? System.out.println. Welcome to Java first demo program. This system.out.println is nothing but the, if you want to print something on the console in Java, we are having this system.out.println. Print or println is there. So in future I will explain what is system, what is out, what is print. Okay, here if you do, here I just want to give one clarity here. Whatever the case I have followed here, same case we need to follow. For example, I have given in the public the first letter is p in lowercase. If you give uppercase, right, it will throw an error. In the same way, in the system, for the system word, I have mentioned capped less here. If you give small s, right, it will throw an error. If you want, I will practically show that one as well. So let me go here. Before that one, let me remove the demo class file, so that when we compile the this Java file, right, again we will get the new dot class file. Let me make it as small as, and go to file, click on save. Okay, it is saved. Then go here, just run the java c first demo dot java. See, you can see first demo.java. This is nothing but the line number 6. uh, this is the program file name, and then after that this 6 is nothing but the line number 6. inside this program, and it is saying an error. What is the error? Package system does not exist. What is this package? We will come to know later. To explain this package, what is public, what is private, everything, what is system, right? I need to give information on literals, what is the naming convention for the file, what is the naming convention for the variables, what is the naming convention for the methods. All those things I need to cover. Those will be covered in future videos, but in this video I am just I mean, if you are trying to make any attempt on this program, right, sometimes you may get this issue. That's why. So you can see this system is does not exist. So whatever you have given, right, it is a capital S. Okay, now click on Control S. It is saved now. Go and execute that same program now. It will get success. So if you go and see whether file is generated a dot class file or not, you can see first demo dot class file. Just run it again. You need, for running, you just need to use Java command, not Java C, and then use first demo like this, and then execute. Welcome to Java first demo program. In the same way I have told you, right, in the here also string is there. If you use small s here, right, again you will get issue. Make it small s and then click on say Control S, then come here and then execute here Java C first demo dot Java. You can see, right, it is saying like cannot find symbol. This s it is not able to find symbol class string location. Where that issue is there? Location first demo dot Java class is there. Inside that Java class at string inside for at the string it is facing, it is having an error. It is not able to find that symbol. So that's why we need to make it as capital S, and then click on Control S, and then go here and then try to compile it Java C first demo dot Java, and then try to execute that one first demo. Welcome to Java first demo program. In case if you are trying to if you are trying to give wrong name, right, for example, let's see Java first demo, it will throw an error. You can see could not find or load the main class first demo caused by no class def founder. We have given first demo. Okay, it will go to the D drive, tech workspace, and then Java programs. It will try to find for the first demo. But inside this one, the first in the first demo the f is small, right? When it goes to the Java underscore program directory, it will search for is there any program with small f first demo dot class. It is not there. Then it has thrown an error saying like could not find or load the main class. It is not able to find this first demo class. So it is saying like no class def found error, wrong name. It is clearly saying like first name wrong name first demo. So we need to use proper naming. Whatever the Java class name we have used, same Java class name we have to specify for the file name. This one inside Java class we have specified whatever the name you have specified for this class. With the same name we have to create the file java file, and then while running also we have to give the same name, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, let me try to use capital F here instead of small f. Let me run it. You can see, right, welcome to Java first demo program. There is other ways where you no need to provide whatever the class name you have used. We no need to provide same class name for the .java file. But thing is, it's recommended to maintain the name both name same at the both the places. So it's recommended. Yeah, that's it. The information about our first Java program, guys. In future videos I will try to upload more videos on these Java programs. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more encouragement. Thank you so much, guys.